Welcome to another episode of ID Tech TV. I'm your host, Matt Borgart. In this episode, we will be talking about maintenance of an older analog IDQ-31. The CQ was made back in the 90s and is no longer in production. It was made up to about 2003, I think, because 2003, 2002 is when we stopped manufacturing this thing. I've had some people asking me about how to deal with some maintenance issues on this. Now, this CQ utilizes a bunch of analog sliders, also 2 analog switches and 3 analog gain. Basically, it's a gain knob itself. So, on the first section, what we can do easily to do the cleaning on all the contact sliders is that if you notice inside here, these 2 steel metal pieces right there, that's actually the 2 slider contacts. And so you have a contact on the slider itself, then 2 resistant bars, which are those 2 pieces here. And so what we're going to do is you're going to spray, there's a slot at the top side, you can spray some contact cleaner that's actually specifically for contacts. You spray it in there, and then you just simply take the slider and move it up and down. This will basically wash the residue off of that slider. This residue can be built over years of constant usage or non-movement, because there's a little bit of voltage going across, and that will bring dust, debris, oils, all sorts of things, and also on top of that, it can corrode a little on the top of the surface, and so you'll get a little scratchiness when you slide the slider up and down. On the 2 push button sections and stuff like that, that's a little harder to deal with because this is a sealed or enclosed piece here. And so what you can do is you can take the whole forward rail off, just remove everything off of here, and then pull these little black buttons here are actually caps. You can pop the cap off, and it will expose the interior portion of the push button. You can again spray the contact cleaner inside there, pushing it back and forth like this, again cleaning off the surfaces of the contact, and that should be fine there. On the gain or the knobs here, you can see there's holes in the back sides of each one of these. Now, this is a conductive plastic material, so it's slightly different from the metal contacts that we have here. And so again, a type of contact cleaner, they make several different types. So you put it sprayed inside this hole back here. And the same purpose, you just want to slide this around, okay, to clean off any kind of residue on it, which can create, you can turn this knob, you can hear some scratching noises, pops, clicks, or basically what sounds like a scratch as you turn the knob. So you can clean it off there. Once you're done there, blow them out with air, little Freon can of air and stuff like that, and then again, move the knobs back and forth and making sure you're moving. And then I would suggest leaving the unit to sit for about, say, 30 minutes or so, if you put it in the sun or whatever, just to boil off all the solvents, and it should be good to go at that point, and you'll be just like it was brand new once more.